I'm Anil Kumar, and here is question number 2, unit test on equivalent algebraic expressions MCR 3U. Let us discuss them in details. I have taken 3 questions from that page. The first one is y squared plus 4y minus 12. We need to factor all 3 of them. The second is 6x squared plus 36x plus 54. And then we have 6x cubed plus 3x squared minus 9x. Well, these are simple examples but with different techniques, right? In the first one, the leading coefficient is 1. So we are looking for 2 numbers whose product is minus 12 and sum is plus 4, right? So the 2 numbers could be, so we are looking for 2 numbers p and q whose product is minus 12 and sum of p and q is plus 4. And the 2 numbers are 6 and 2, right? 6 will be positive since when you add you need positive, and 2 should be negative. And that gives you the answer for the very first one, which is y is your variable, right? Plus 6 times y minus 2. So that is how you can factor the first one. Now in the case of second one, we can have a common factor. So group common factor is 6 in this case. So this could be written as 6 times. We have x squared plus 6x plus 6 times 9 is 54. Now we'll again adopt the same technique, product and sum. We are looking for product of 9 and sum of 3. As you see, it is also a perfect square, right? 3 square, and this is 2 times 3, right? So what you get here is 6 times, let me draw a line here. Okay, so we have 6 times x plus 3 whole square, right? Now the next one, we can factor 3x, right? X is also common and 3 is also common. So we'll factor 3x. Once you factor 3x, you get 2 times x squared. And here we are left with x, and we have minus 3. Now in this case, we are looking for product of minus 3, right? So we need 2 numbers whose product is minus 3. And when you add them, you get plus 1. So the numbers are, product is minus 6, right? Minus 3 times 2, 6, right? And sum is plus 1. So the numbers are plus 3 and minus 2, correct? So let us expand this first and then club the terms. So we have 2x squared, and instead of x, I'm going to write this as 3x minus 2x, right? Minus 3. Now we decomposed x as 3x minus 2x. Taking these 2 terms and the other 2 terms, we can further factor. So here the common factor is x. So let me use a square bracket, and within this square bracket I will write x as a common factor. So we are left with 2x plus 3. Since there was no space, I wrote x later, and minus 2x plus 3. Now we can take 2x plus 3 as common. So we have 3x times, let me use square brackets, 2x plus 3, that is common, and we get x minus 1 as the other factor. So the answer is 3x times 2x plus 3 times x minus 1, right? So these are questions on factoring. I hope these 3 different types of examples help you to get started with. If you have any difficulty, you should look into my videos on factoring strategies and learn more about them. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.